I'll just call this conditional 1. That's conditional 3. Conditional 2. Okay, what folder am I putting this in again? I've got up to 5 there, so this is 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Okay, do that and delete this. The usual stuff, right? The usual stuff. Let's go back in here and load that resource pack again. This makes for really interesting presentations. I did this as a lightning talk, though in far less detail and in like kind of a weird map. Also, it bugs me that that grass hasn't grown in a very long time. Okay, canvas. Wow. My mouse is super laggy. I don't know why exactly. I need 5 of these. Hello? Okay. Redstone's interesting. So what does this have to do with programming? Conditional 1. Conditional 2. And conditional 3. Okay. That sounds interesting. Conditional 1. Wow. Oh, lame. 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 I don't know what to do about that. I mean, unless I walk down, unless I do it like this. So I think I'll do it like this instead. Wow, I can see the back of that one. It's not the end of the world, I don't think. It's conditional 3, that's conditional 2, it's conditional 1. Okay. Like that, okay. So we can do it like this, and we can get rid of those and put a torch on here. So conditional 1. Okay, let's get our stone brick stairs and do what? Nope. Stone brick stairs. I already had stairs there. Okay, and down here we'll do a similar thing. Canvas, this is conditional 2. It's a little bit wider, so that's kind of better. Do it like this. This is probably more what we're used to. You can combine conditions, so if condition is true and you're debugging, you can write to the console. The last thing I want to talk about, the last thing you may be familiar with, which I'll mention. I've got to work on the wording of this. I'll just rehearse it like a stink load tomorrow before I give the talk. If I can, this time. Okay, like this. Conditional 3. Sweet. That. I wonder if what I actually want is like wood. I wonder if I actually want like some oak wood in these. How would that look? And it's hilariously late for me to be looking at the stuff now, but anyway. That doesn't actually look that bad. I think I actually prefer this. Just unlock the painting. Ooh. Ooh. So like that. Oh, that shadow is terrible. The shadow is terrible. Smooth lighting off. Smooth lighting minimum? Sure, but this hasn't fixed the lighting issues. So there's that. No, I don't like that. Let's put that off. Better grass. Oh wow. Oh wow, that's kind of... Don't want that. Better grass off. Swamp colors off. Connected textures off. Does that make the patterns easier to spot? I actually do want connected textures on. Custom sky. What does this do? Rough smoothing, fine smoothing. Usually does not affect the performance. I say, and it crashes my machine the moment I try and change it, but anyway. I mean, that would just be my luck, to be honest. Anti-aliasing on. Random mobs off. Do I care about that? Lame. Lame, 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 lame. What happens if I reduce this? Does this make the... Oh. Oh. Something's wrong. What happened? Did that just reload all the chunks? Yeah, actually, I just want to turn that back on. I'm worried that I changed stuff and that it doesn't that it just like tanks when it shouldn't be. Load far. Okay, never mind. I just don't know enough about the game, to be honest. I don't know enough about setting up the game. Okay, okay. You can put that stuff on now. Just bring the stream up to make sure that I'm not like world glitching all over the place. Okay, let's just quickly replace all the signage. It's not actually a bad bit of map, to be honest. It's a lot of detail. I'm so paranoid that I dropped the... actual paintings. So paranoid about it. Okay, fine. Zombies and binary. I don't actually... Do I do that? I totally do. Weird shading going on. Weird shading. I don't like these flowers. Fortunately, I think the paintings will just stay suspended in the sky, which is great, I'm sure. Also, maybe what I want to do, this would be an okay thing to do. Liquid steps. That's cool. I like that. Oh. For the sake of realism, for the sake of realism, why not, hey? Why not? Just because you're going to see it as you walk underneath there. But anyway, it's got mining, it's got crafting, and there are also things, nasty things like zombies, which generally go for your brains. Oh. And also other nasty things called creepers, which have a habit of sneaking up behind you, hissing loudly, and then exploding. So watch out for those. Of course, you can survive them by getting upgraded armor and weapons, but what really interests me about the game is redstone. Now, I don't have a light around here, which kind of sucks. Decoration, fence.